Hello friends, welcome to Health, Music and Fitness channel. This is ECG vlog number 17. Today we'll be discussing a short case of type 2 AV block, which is also called Mobitz type 2 block. In this, there is no prolongation of the PR interval. There are P waves which are followed by QRS complexes, and suddenly one P wave is not followed by a QRS complex. In Mobitz type 1, the PR interval gradually keeps on increasing until one QRS is not there after a P wave. That is Mobitz type 1. In Mobitz type 2, the PR does not prolong. Suddenly, the P is not followed by a QRS complex. So that is Mobitz type 2 AV block. This block is more serious than Mobitz type 1 because it signifies severe disease, sclerodegenerative disease usually. And these patients can progress to complete heart block and they may require pacing. So prophylactically, we usually pace them when the patient comes with Mobitz type 2 AV block. Now you look at the heart rate. First you look at the calibration, which is totally normal, 10 small squares in height and a flat plateau. So that's a normal calibration. Then you look at the rate, rhythm and the axis. So P waves look normal in shape and size and they are followed by a QRS complex. So that's a normal sinus rhythm. And axis also you can check. Then you look at the axis. Axis is you have to look at the most isoelectric complex, and perpendicular to that will be the axis. In this ECG, lead 2 is the most isoelectric complex. So perpendicular to that will be the axis. So perpendicular to lead 2 is minus 30 degrees where AVL is placed. So axis is at minus 30 degrees. Then you also look at S waves in lead 2, 3 and AVF. So this is left axis deviation. So this patient has left anterior hemiblock also. And you look at the P waves and the QRS complexes out here. Suddenly there is no QRS complex which is following a P wave. So that is where the QRS has dropped, and that signifies Mobitz type 2 AV block. Then other things you have to look at, other intervals, durations, the ST segment T waves and the progression of the R wave from V1 to V6 and things like that. The progression of R waves is normal. So this was all about in this ECG, and this basically shows type 2 AV block with left anterior hemiblock. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, and if you like, please leave a comment, share the video and hit the bell notification icon so that you can be notified of more videos as we upload them. Thank you.